Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to set up and use the shelf fullness check module. To use this module, first of all, please find the requirements for this module in our documentation on our website. After you check it, you need to enable the camera, then enable the motion detector by Eocortex. Go to Analytics, enable the module and open the settings of it. Here we can configure several zones for the scanning. So that's how we can draw this zone. And after we configure it, we need to find the moment in real time or in archive to save the picture of the empty shelf. So the module works by comparing the real-time image with the image of the empty shelf, and the difference between these two images will be showed in the percentage. Here we can set the threshold in percents and also the refresh interval, so you can not show the value of the fullness not too often. For each shelf, you can configure your own threshold and the refresh interval. For example, if some goods are more important than another. Then, after we applied the settings, we go to the client. And here you can see that the fullness of these two shelves is 100%, and this shelf is absolutely empty, so the percentage is 0. You can also work with this module afterwards or in real time by configuring the notifications if the fullness is too low. For example, we open the event journal and select our module. Yes, shelf empty. Apply the filter. And here we can see the fullness of some shelves. Mostly shelf 1 was empty. Or for example, here we see that shelf 3 was empty, so we got this notification. Also, we can use reports. Select shelf fullness check, build a report, and understand the number of time when this shelf was empty. So the fullness was lower than 80%. And also check the status for another shelves with another value. For example, the value of fullness was lower for this shelf, and we see that for some moments the fullness was quite okay. Here we can see the info about the fullness, that shelf has always been more than 40% full. So that's a good result for the manager of this shop. So that was a shelf fullness check module, which is very useful for retail and other options where we need to compare two images to understand if the area is full with some objects. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.